drafted position on the top of the tea room roof here at Milton Hall. Ian Graham, the Berwick promoter. Ian, we'll leave this afternoon's meeting just for a moment or two. First of all, last night, of course, you had your official launch up at your new circuit at Berrington Loft. How did that go for you last night?
Very successful indeed. We're very fortunate. It was a lovely evening, and we got a tremendous turnout in excess of 3,000. And of course the team won on track, but perhaps the most important thing was the appearance of the fans to the new stadium. Everything went really well for the first evening, and we're very, very pleased.
And looking down your lineup this afternoon, you've got a few changes, and really it looks quite a strong lineup. You should be fairly confident about the season.
Yes, indeed we are. We've introduced 3 new performers, 2 heat leaders, Bruce Cribb and George Hunter, a couple of lads with a lot of experience, and young 17-year-old Rob Carter, who we think's got a lot of skill and a big future ahead of him. We are, in fact, despite this afternoon's scoreline, we are very, very pleased with the side, and we think that we will certainly be up there in the top 6 along with Mildenhall by the looks of it.
It's your first away meeting, of course, this afternoon. It does show a bit. The lads really race rusty, could we call them?
I would say most certainly so. Last night was the first meeting together for the whole entire side. Bruce Cribb's had a couple of meetings with Birmingham, and Steve McDermott's had one World Championship meeting, and they both performed well there, but this is the first time they've raced together to any great extent. And obviously, as you say, it is showing.
Okay, Ian, well, thanks very much, and all the best for the rest of the season. Thank you. So it's into heat number 11.